Hello and welcome to That Fabric Guy. My name is Bas Land and today I'm going to teach you how the Python merge statement works, and we use it a lot in Microsoft Fabric, so this is very useful information if you are a data engineer. If you're considering moving into Microsoft Fabric, doing a Python merge statement in a notebook is super interesting. So let's find out and dive into my laptop. Okay, I have prepared this notebook for you guys, and what we're seeing here is a very basic setup of a notebook basically, where we have some importing to do. We want to import delta table from delta.tables. This lets us talk to delta tables on the data lake. We then create our target data set. So we will create a table called test. We create the target data set. We will be loading this dummy data into a Spark data frame. We will display the data frame and we will then write this data into a delta table on the data lake. Next up, we will create a source dataset, and this source dataset will basically contain the same structure of data but with different content. There might be some rows that are updated, there might be some rows that are new, and we will show that data frame as well. This is called source data frame because it will be the source for the merge statement. Then where the magic happens is the actual merge statement. First of all, we need to configure the key of our table, and in this case we say the source system column and the ID column together are the key of our table. Then we are generating the merge statement. We create an object called delta table and we put there the table name test that we defined earlier in the notebook. We will define the merge condition where we will create a join on target key equals source key for every key in table keys. So for every column in our list of columns, we will create this target equals source. And this will create a simple join statement. A1 equals A2 and B1 equals B2 and so on. And then we are going to merge. We are going to merge using the delta table as target, and we're going to merge onto it. The source will be our data frame source. We will rename that to source. Now, why do we do that alias? We want to rename target and source in order for our target and source here in the merge condition to work. So that's the next argument here, is that we will put in the condition on which we will do the merge. And now a merge condition is nothing more than if we know this row already, if the key matches the key in the target table, it is a row that we already have in the system. So we will update the row in place. If we do not know this row already, if the key does not match the target, we will be doing an insert because apparently this is new data. So we put the merge condition in here, and then we say when matched we will update, just like I mentioned. When not matched, we insert. We execute the merge statement, and this will actually commit data into the delta table. We then do a simple check on the results. We will do a Spark SQL query. We say select star from test, and we will check that data frame. So let's find out how this works. We import delta table. Then we will create our target data set. Now, as you can see on the right side here of the screen, we will see that this table of 3 rows will be loaded into our delta table called test. Now, if we open the Explorer here, go to gold, and then we refresh, and then we start, where is it? We start scrolling. We see now indeed that we have a test table in here with the columns that we just defined. Then let's create the source dataset. And now, again, this source dataset is just being created in memory as a data frame, as a Spark data frame. We are not loading this into Delta as of right now. And by comparing the rows in here, we should be able to find out what's going to happen. So the A1 row in here is not present in the new system, so it will not be touched. The A2 row in here will be updated because the A2 row in here will exist. The name will be updated, the score will be updated. Then we have B1, will not be touched. A3 and C1 will be added. Let's see what's going on. We execute the merge statement, and now the merge statement has been executed. So let's check the results. Here we are, and here we have 5 records. Is that something we expected? Yes, because we started out with 3 records, we merged into it 3 additional records. One of those records was an in-place update and 2 were new. So this means that we have 3 original records, 1 is updated and 2 are added. We should indeed have 5 records. So looking at this data in here, it's not just a result of our merge, it is also already committed into the Delta table. We are literally reading from the Delta table here using the Spark SQL command. All right, so that was a short video. Hopefully it explained a very important concept, but quite easy to understand concept of the Python merge. Now, if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this one, then like this one, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.